This is a 2005 Pontiac G6, 3500 V6. I mean yeah, V6. Now I'm going to be checking the transmission fluid level. Okay, down in the engine right there is where you fill the transmission fluid. And I'll show you the top here. This is where you need a socket 11 millimeters. Here, I'll turn on the light to see that. That top right there, I'll point to it, this one here. You open it up, and when your car is level, we got the car level with, with some blocks, and you open it up, and if the transmission fluid drips out of there, that means there's enough. If it doesn't drip, you just add from the top until it starts dripping out, and that's when you have enough. And I'm going to use a small funnel. Shut the light off for a second. See, I got a funnel. There's not much light here. Okay, I'm going to shut it off for a second, and then I'll undo the tap a bit, and then get this thing rolling. Okay, I've got the tap, if you can see it there. You see I've got it loosened up a bit, and the oil's dripping away there. Now that means that there's enough. Now if I open it right full, it should come out more. See? There. See it dripping? That means it's full. Now I'm going to close it off a bit here, and then I'll tighten it back up. See, so yeah, there's enough tranny fluid in here, and that's the way you check and see if there's enough fluid. And if it's not coming out, you just add some until it comes out.